Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious keto hot chocolate. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We have got a delicious keto hot chocolate for you today. It is so easy. It's only 4 ingredients and 1 serving is only 1 net carb. So I'm going to add 4 ounces of heavy cream to this saucepan that I've got over medium heat. And I'm going to add 12 ounces of almond milk. I'm going to measure it out. We've got unsweetened almond milk. You want to make sure and get one that has no added sweeteners. So we're going to heat this for a few minutes, and then we will add the last 2 ingredients. Okay, now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of keto-friendly granulated sweetener. We use Swerve or Lakanto, whichever one you like. So as our liquid cooks, all of our cocoa powder and our sweetener will dissolve right into the liquid, and then we'll have hot chocolate. Okay, while our hot chocolate is getting nice and steamy, I'm going to whip up some heavy cream. I've got a 1/4 cup of heavy cream that I'm going to whisk until it is not quite stiff peaks, but this is gonna be good on top of the hot chocolate. It's totally optional to do this, and you can use an electric mixer, but you know, it's a good way to get in your arm exercise. You could also sweeten this if you want. You would want to use a powdered sweetener. Probably a tablespoon would be enough, but I like to have it to where it's unsweet on the sweetened hot chocolate. Okay, that looks good. It's nice and thick, but it's not too thick. It's gonna just like melt perfectly into our hot chocolate. And this is ready, so let's serve it up into our pretty glasses here. Okay, I've got a ladle here. I'm gonna carefully put this into the cups. This makes 2 servings of hot chocolate, quite generous servings of hot chocolate. Okay, and now let's top with some of the whipped cream. Oh my gosh, that looks so amazing. At that, and now it's time for a taste. It's so rich and so chocolatey. You're going to love it. Be sure you check out this recipe, and if you want, you could make this like a peppermint hot chocolate. Just add a little bit of peppermint extract. I think that's what I'm going to do next time. You guys need to check out these 2 recipes. It's for some keto candied pecans and some snowball cookies. They would go perfectly with this recipe. Be sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.